Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you will have to open Settings. Then you will have to enter Accounts and Backup section. Then go to the Backup Data. Here you have to enable this Backup to Google Drive feature. Then tap Add Account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you will have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, tap Accept here. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.